When light tries to pass through an object, if the object is transparent, it will allow the light to pass through it. If the object is translucent, some of the rays will pass through, but the rest will be blocked. If the object is opaque, it will not allow the light to pass through it. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them, thereby creating dark images of themselves, which we call shadows. So shadows are created when a beam of light hits an opaque object. Now the sharpness of the shadow will depend on the light source. The sharpness of the shadow will depend on the light source. If we have a point source, the source of light is very, very small in a point source. That means the rays coming from the light will not be that large. Therefore, when it hits the object, a sharp shadow will be produced. Point sources produce very sharp shadows. The shadow is all black. When we have a large light source, a larger light source, a source larger than the point source, as you can see, the rays of light, multiple rays of light are coming out. Now, very dark parts will be created, called the umbra, U-M-B-R-A. That is the sharp part of the shadow. Now, a light gray side will also be produced, called the penumbra. So, point sources give us complete darkness or complete shadow, but a large light source will give us our umbra, which is the complete darkness, and then the penumbra that looks grayish in color. Therefore, shadows are created when beams of light hit opaque objects.